Good morning sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa mga subscribe. Shout out po sa inyong lahat dyan, ma'am, sir. Thank you po. Saan man kayo sa dako ng Pilipinas. Thank you po. Thank you very much. Last night, quietly, she walked out my mind as I lay searching for sleep. Her soft hand reached out. She whispered my name as she brushed a tear from my cheek. And then those funny, familiar, forgotten feelings start walking all over my mind. It's sad, so sad, to watch love go bad, but a true love would not have gone wrong. And I'm just thankful for the good times we've had, for without them I could not go on. With all those funny, familiar, forgotten feelings start walking all over my mind. I must go on, be strong. Though a million teardrops may fall before this funny, familiar, forgotten feelings stop walking all over my mind. Before this funny, familiar, forgotten feelings stop walking all over my mind. Thank you po. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.